Introduction to Basic Statistics Concepts. Importance of statistics in our day-to-day life. Now that we have defined what statistics is, let us now talk about the importance of statistics in our day-to-day life. What are the uses of statistics? First, it is a useful aid in decision-making. Using statistics, we can, for example, describe the general characteristics of individuals in different barangays. Whenever we conduct surveys, we first collect demographic profiles of households or establishments. And from there, we get to see what are their characteristics. How many are males? How many are females? How many are single, married, widowed, and so on. Statistics is also useful if you want to compare. Let's say, for example, you'd like to compare the monthly income and expenditures of households in Manila City versus Quezon City. Statistics is also useful in explaining a phenomenon. More recently, for the COVID-19 pandemic, you might be interested in explaining the surge of COVID-19 in a certain municipality. You may also use statistics if you want to forecast. And let's say that we want to forecast the population of a particular province by 2025. Now, in order for us to do this, we need historical dataset or data collected over time. And using time series or forecasting techniques, we should be able to do this. But more importantly, what is the purpose of predicting future phenomenon? That is to be able to plan ahead, to be able to make informed decisions. What else can you do? You can describe and predict how different variables interact or are related to one another. For example, you are part of the agricultural sector, and you are trying to predict the volume of rice produced based on how much rainfall there was and how much fertilizer was used. Now, you need to use another statistical tool here called regression analysis, which aims to predict the possible values of a variable based on other variables. And this uses cross-sectional data or data collected for a specific period of time. Finally, you may use statistics to study cause and effect. And in here, you're not just looking at the relationship, but you're actually trying to study the cause and effect of something. In this example, that would be the cause and effect of drugs among the youth. Now, these bullets right here entails advanced statistical tools. And if you're interested to know more about these topics and other training courses offered by PSRTI, then you may visit our website at psrti.gov.ph. But in a summary, the statistical tool that you will use for your analysis will depend on the data that you have.